Hi, Lawyer Club members. Hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to share another GPT. I have about 26 of these that I've slowly been sharing with our community. Today I want to share this one, law firm qualified leads. So first of all, why do you need to qualify your leads? I found out about this about 4 or 5 years ago, where basically generating leads. And I realized, wait, it's not just about generating leads. We actually need to qualify them. And how to qualify is by asking very specific questions from the prospect to see whether they qualify. And I think I actually had this hurdle when it came to car accidents. I first did it for PI. Then I had to figure this out for employment. And all of a sudden I'm like, wait a minute, there's a pattern here. I always need to qualify the leads. And as I started setting up all these campaigns, I basically had to go through the same motions. I basically had to ask a series of questions to see whether the prospect qualifies to be signed up as a client. So I started putting together this framework. I started tweaking all the questions. And over time, I got really good at figuring out what questions to ask to qualify the leads. I ended up actually creating a Google Doc of questions for every practice type, and that became the backbone of this GPT, which is basically for every practice law. I came up with all the questions that should be used to qualify a lead. And I actually had a mastermind about this about 2 years ago. And for any of the ones that I was missing, people were able to help me fill it in. And then about a year ago, I was able to use ChatGPT to fill in the rest, optimize it, tweak it further. And now it became into a GPT agent, which I'll provide the link for you below. So all you have to do, again, just make sure that you're upgraded to ChatGPT Plus. And all you do is click here to get started and answer a couple of questions. So what type of law do you do? So let's just say personal injury with focus on car accidents. And then what state, etc. Answer those questions. And again, the more context you give it, the better. I just happen to give just the practice type and the state, but actually no, looks like I used a different one. Nope, yeah, this is the right one. Actually, that was for something else. That was a law FAQ generator. So let's try that again. So this is the right one, law firm qualified leads. Same process. We'll click on the button. What type of law do you practice? What state are you practicing? So I'm going to go ahead and answer these. So again, I'm going to say personal injury with focus on car accidents. And I'm going to say California. And what it's going to do is it's going to use the framework that I've trained it on. And it's going to give you two types of qualification questions. A simple form, which this is perfect for if you're running Facebook ads or TikTok ads or YouTube ads. This is a perfect way to qualify them. Let's go through them right now. What type of vehicle were you during the accident? So usually the first question you want it to be about the problem itself. Easy multiple choice question. And then some qualifiers. Was the accident at least, I don't know about at least partially. Was the accident someone else's fault? Yes or no? Did the accident happen in the last 2 years? Yes or no? And have you already spoken to another lawyer about this accident? Yes or no? You're not tied to these. Obviously, if you feel like this is not relevant or you don't need it, by all means, maybe these three are good. And then there's a list of more comprehensive qualification questions that could potentially be good intake questions that you might do either on the call or once you sign them up once you sign them up. Most likely on the phone call. That's where your intakers will be able to ask these further questions to get more details to go deeper. Okay, so here it is. You'll be able to use it for any practice type. Again, I've already trained it on all the different types of different practice types. So yeah, it should be helpful. If you want me to share more of these GPTs and you want me to create more of these videos, let me know. I have plenty of these resources. Just have to find the time to so many things going on. I just have to find the time to make videos, short videos for these resources and give it away. So just if you want more of these, please give this video a like or give it a comment right below and let me know. And I'll provide the link to this as well. But again, I need the feedback from you in order for me to continue doing this. All right. Have a great rest of your day. Talk to you.